How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Before we get started, I just wanted to tell you that we are designing a webpage which we intend to provide you as a support tool to simplify your SAP learning process.
Okay.
This interview will help us understand your needs and develop a better tool for you. Based on the practices or exams that you have done in the class, do you think you need a tool like this?
Yes, I think it because a kind of tool like this will help me with the cases and while I'm studying for the exam.
Okay, well, let me tell you a story of mine. In my first partial exam, I failed it. And I failed it because I was doing one of the processes, and once I wanted to go back to see one of my mistakes, all of my information just erased, and I had to start all over again. Have you had this type of situation before, or you can relate at least?
Yes, not only in the exams, also in the homeworks and the cases of practice, I get stuck and the teacher doesn't answer my emails or the doubts I have.
Okay. And Rodrigo, with this internet page that I just showed you, would you add any material or any content, or would you take something out? Do you like the web page?
Well, I really like the web page because all the topics are divided and all the access that I have is really easy. So I would keep it as it is.
Okay. And final question, how much would you be willing to pay for a subscription like this for a semester for your SAP course?
Maybe 200 pesos. Maybe because it's an extra tool, so I have to pay extra for the tutoring.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rodrigo. You
You're
have a great
welcome.
day.